Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to share PowerPoint slides in Google Meet using the most recent updates. As you get ready for your upcoming virtual session, you might want the most effective way to display your slides while keeping the focus on your content. Fortunately, Google Meet's latest enhancements make this process very smooth. To begin, ensure the PowerPoint file you want to present is already open on your PC. This simple preparation is vital for a smooth start. Once opened, head to the Slideshow tab in PowerPoint and click from Beginning. This triggers the presenter mode, letting you navigate slides easily while viewing any speaker notes you've written. With your slides ready, enter your Google Meet session. A stable internet connection is recommended to provide a high-quality experience for everyone involved. To start presenting, locate the Present Now button at the bottom of the interface. When the options appear, choose a window. This ensures only your slides are visible, protecting your privacy by hiding the rest of your desktop. Pick the specific window showing your PowerPoint slideshow from the list. This keeps the audience focused strictly on your presentation without interruptions from other apps or alerts. Following these steps will help you share your slides effectively in any Google Meet. This approach keeps your presentation professional and gives you full control. Use these tips for a more polished delivery next time. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech guides. Enjoy your presentation.